Hey guys, so today this video is all about Jio's upcoming phone called JioPhone Next. This phone is made by Mukesh Ambani led Reliance Jio in collaboration with Google, and it's aimed to bring India's 300 million feature phone users online to provide much more than just mobile services. It has been stated that the phone will run on a customized Android operating system that is tailor-made for India, with language and translation features, a great camera and support for the latest Android updates. But don't expect too much, as this phone is specifically for those who are new to Android. If you have been using Android phones for even some time, then this phone will not interest you. The reason for that are the specs. It's entry level and that's reflected in the price. We are not sure about it, but it's estimated to be priced around 3500 rupees according to leaks. But as per a report by ET Now, the JioPhone Next has two variants, basic and advanced. The basic variant might come with a price tag of 5000 rupees, while the JioPhone Next advanced version could be priced at rupees 7000. Personally, we don't believe this to be true, as there is no need for advanced version. For rupees 7000 there are phones which offer way better specs. So for Jio to enter smartphone market, it needs to provide better value to people, and 3500 to 4000 rupees seems fine. And at that price, this phone will definitely help those who were previously missing out on Android and 4G internet because of the high cost. Also, it may allow Jio to dominate the price-conscious segment in both the feature as well as the smartphone space. The company has tied up with leading financial institutions to offer the phone with an initial payment of rupees 500. More on this will be covered when the phone is actually launched and we have full information. But now let's dive into some of the alleged specs of the JioPhone Next. It's expected to have a 5.5-inch display with 1440 by 720 pixel HD resolution, a fairly decent screen size for the price. Additionally, the design of the phone is not modern thanks to the huge forehead and chin. The processor is Qualcomm Snapdragon 215 CPU with Adreno 308 GPU and comes with the support for 4G networks. It's accompanied with 2 and 3 gigs of RAM and internal storage of 16 and 32 gigs. As for cameras, the front-facing lens comes in at 8 megapixel, while the single rear shooter features a 13 megapixel OmniVision sensor. GPS and Bluetooth 4.2 will be included in the smartphone's other features. The battery specs are currently unknown, but you don't have to wait too long to know about the battery capacity. This phone comes with Google's Camera Go and Duo Go apps pre-installed and will get features like Google Assistant, automatic read aloud of screen text and much more. So this is everything that's known about Jio Next. What do you think about this phone? Will it be your backup phone? Will this solve the problem of online classes in rural areas where an Android phone was previously not accessible at these prices? What according to you are the use cases other than the ones I have mentioned? Comment your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Peace out.